All right, guys, welcome to another video. We are headed to Europe. John and I are going to be jumping the all-new design for the Griffiths, which is the parachute that I've been designing over the last 4 years or so. And this design is sweet. We've jumped it a few times, and it's absolutely awesome. So stay tuned. We can do some flips. We can do some wingsuit jumps. Hopefully not go in. That means die. Yeah, not into the cliff. Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys, so the video is over, but the Europe trip videos are not over. There's gonna be another one coming out here in another week or so, and you're gonna wanna stay tuned because we do some epic things. This was just the first half of the trip. We do a rope swing off of another parachute, another base jumper, and a bunch of two-way linked exits, John and I, that you're definitely not gonna wanna miss out on seeing. And also, the Griffiths, as you can tell, has been doing amazing on this trip, and in general, the design is almost finalized. It is not yet released, but hopefully in the next couple months, the parachute will be out on the market, so stay tuned for that. If you are a base jumper or a future base jumper, canopy you're going to want to get. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.